everybody, it's Michelle, and I've got some wonderful things from ARTEZA to show you guys today. First of all is the 108 slot marker case, and this is the one that holds thinner pens and markers. It fits 8 to 12 millimeter. You can also get these cases with the fat slots that hold like the alcohol markers and fatter markers like that. But I have waited so long for this to get back in stock to be able to get this. And this is exactly like the one that came in my Real Brush Pen travel bundle. It came with all the Real Brush pens in there. And you can see it has those narrow slots. And I just love these cases. When I first started seeing the cases, they were just part of the travel bundle, but I was so glad to see that they started selling these separately so that you can use them for pens that you already have. So I'm going to use this today for lots of my gel pens. You guys remember my gel pens that I got from ARTEZA not long ago. But first I want to show you something else that they sent me. The 2-pack of 60 sheets of weekly planner pads. And I think these are awesome, you guys. And this is with 68-pound paper, which is pretty heavy duty for paper. Anything thicker than that and you're getting into cardstocks. And it's the 8.5 by 11 inch size, which I love. That's the size planner that I like to use anyway. And I like that these are just on pads. They are glue bound at the top, so that you can peel off one page at a time, and they're unpunched and unbound, so you can punch them to fit your happy planner or your ring binder or whatever you use for your planners. And I think these are amazing. So it comes with 2 weekly planner pads, and I'll just tell you guys right now, the first thing I thought of was weekly planning for my Craftie channel and weekly planning for my healthy channel. This one here with all the bright, vibrant colors reminds me of my Craftie logo, and I really love it. You've got all the days of the week here with an open area to write in whatever you want and some little checklists off to the right. And then we have top priorities, to-do lists, and habits. And it's pretty much the same over here, except it says healthy habits on that one. So I thought that was really cute. And this one kind of fits the style of my healthy channel a little bit better too. So I just thought that was amazing, and I can't wait. It's really going to help me get organized with my channels. And you could use these to organize anything that you want. You could do meal planning or budget planning. Totally up to you. I like that everything is just kind of blank. So now we're going to move on and fill this case with pens. So you guys remember my gel pen collection that I got from ARTEZA. These are the 60 gel pen premium set, and that's the one that had the classics, pastels, rainbows, neons, metallics, glitters, and fluorescence. And then here we've just got regular vibrant color set of 20 in the soft grip retractables, and I love those. So that's 80 pens. So I thought, as long as we're on the gel pen trend, and we've got lots more slots in here than just these 80 pens here, I'm going to go ahead and put my glaze pens in there as well. And I've got the 10-piece set of brights and the 10-piece set of basics. So that's 100 right there, and we're still going to have 8 extra slots for whatever we want to put in there. So look how well that organized all of those pins. I think I had one missing here out of the set that I may have had it out using it somewhere. So I left a slot to put that back in. And I've got all my glitters there, and I kept them kind of in the order that they were in the package. But if I want to, I can go back and organize that by color, get them more in rainbow order. But still, they are way more organized than they were before. And I put my 2 black pins here with the soft grip. I thought that would be a nice place for those, so I could keep all of the retractables together there. I've got all of my glaze pins together here, and those almost all fit except for my whites and clears, so I put those here on the back side. And I left my extra ones here that I can fill in for extra, and that way I kept all of my other set here in order together too. So I've still got room for lots more, and I'm going to open up these little flaps here so I can put that together on the sides. And there you have it. I think that is gorgeous and so well organized. And it's going to be so much easier to keep up with my pins and find the one that I'm looking for. Because I've found that with planners and scrapbooks and everything, all of the card making and everything that I've been doing, I have been acquiring so many pens and markers, and I think this is an amazing tool to help keep everything organized. Like I said before, I'm so glad that they sell the cases separately now, so that you can take your collection that you already have at home, or multiple collections like I did, and combine them and really be able to keep those organized. And just like when it came with the real brush pen set, it's got the pocket back here, and I can keep some other things in there as well. So it's got the long handle and the short handle. Either way you want to take it as a travel tote, and then of course you saw we can open it and flip through that like pages in a book. So I just love it, you guys. I hope that you guys like this as much as I do. You can also get these, like I said, with the slots for the fat markers. So I'll leave a link to that as well, along with this one. Just remember the 108 slot is for smaller pens, and the other ones are for the fatter markers. I'll be sure to include all of that information along with the links in the description below, but be sure to go over and get yourself one of these. They would also make a great gift. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.